Hello, is microphone on? I guess you can hear me right now. If you can hear me, please type some words. I'm testing this software. Later on, I will use the. Okay, so it's just like. But if I switch to the. If I switch to my uh, desktop. Okay, this one. It's very interesting. Okay, if there's some concurrent viewers, that means people can see me right now. Okay, all right. Oh, here's the thing. But the thing is, if I use this one, can I use the? Okay, it seems like the microphone is working right now. I need to make sure that my video is also full screen, not just put me in the. Okay, let me see. Why I can't preview? Okay, all right. Let me try to use this one. I will make it work finally. What's that? Okay. Seems like there's something. It's not that easy. All right. Okay. 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 What's that? I can't see the preview in the OBS. There's something wrong with that. And even okay. What's okay from what microphone? And they are going to put the speech to language. Alright, the thing is, how can I preview the screen before I shared it online? It seems like a very interesting. Okay, still it's not there. There's something wrong. And what's going on here? It's really making me feel frustrated a little bit. And I need to go back to the okay. Yes. Okay. All right. It seems like now I can broadcasting on live on YouTube, and all right. I guess you guys can hear me right now. I I needed to go back to the what? I need to go back to okay the layouts. Okay, there's no. I am going to use the speech to not Chinese actually. But the thing is very funny. They said, okay, let me go back to okay. Right now, why the screen is still not a large screen. All right. If people can hear me, please type some words. All right, welcome to join my live show. I'm the first. It is my first time. If you just walked in, please stay here for a moment. I really appreciate it. That if you can help me to test if it's working, and I'm using the software named the OBS Studio. OBS Studio is like something, like a control panel that you can connect your computer. uh, I don't know if you can type some words, say you hear, you can see my, you can see my video, or I really don't know because I can't see the ch chat box or something on my screen. Maybe I still need some time to uh, help myself to familiar with this software. I'm sorry if there's something um, not right here, and that's because this is my first time. I never use this software. Maybe I need next time I can uh, use all the functions. Let's see what. Okay, this is for audio. This for the. Mm, and this for YouTube. Seems like it's working right now. Now, if I want to, what else? If I want to show my screen, and seems like it's not working, or it really takes some time. It really depends. It's very interesting. The the software not switch to the screen I wanted. Okay, the first things first. I want to share some of my daily life in back in China. If you just come into my room and please type some words, and then I can understand that now you are here. Or I don't know if 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 I can have some like a communication with you by the chat box. So how does that work? I don't know. Obviously. So I will go to the. Oh, it's here. It seems like there's somebody's watching right now. Somebody is watching right now. Okay. Seems like I can do my show. It's my show time. Okay. So my topic is how to learn Chinese language and have a big picture about the East. Okay, there's something I should make it clear. Sometimes when I spell some words, maybe I made some mistakes. It's not my language. My first language is Chinese, and so okay. What else? Once again, uh, if you want to learn Chinese, please leave your comments somewhere else. I mean, in my channel, and I will try to give my feedback to you, and I will say what you can start with, and what materials you need to prepare for this language journey. As to me, for learning. What is a highlight video? Okay, cancel. Okay, I still have one concurrent viewer, and if you are by chance just there, please let me know, and I will type the words. I will respond to your chat. Chat is disabled for this live. Why is that? I should make it available, right? So I don't know how can I make the chat is disabled. Okay, let me find the solution. Chat is live stream. Mm, it's interesting. Anyway, daily, day. Okay, I changed the title. It doesn't show up. Okay, it's Wednesday daily in China, right? This is very interesting. And let me try to find something. Actually, there are two things. One is stream key. The other one is the URL. So I just copy the stream key to the OBS, and I also use the stream URL. That means I can live broadcasting. That is for sure. But now I need to solve the problem. That is, how can I make the chat area is available to the viewers? Yeah, there's some setting, I guess. Okay, left chat. Okay, it's here. Enable slow mode. Enable live. Okay. Why it's not working? How can I make it work? Enable to add a moderator. Allow live chat reply. It's not working. It's just funny. It's very interesting. I can. Why live chat is disabled for this live stream? The video contains paid promotions such as paid pro. Okay. for tags or YouTube Studio, I just can't change the setting. I may try next time. I may get something to drink and okay. Let me just get up and get something to drink. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm back. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Alright, there are lots of things to learn, like how to enable the everything here. I still don't know how to share my screen. I guess I needed to do some preparation. Okay, I need enable the chat for sure. Otherwise, I don't know who is watching and who is doing what. Why the live chat is disabled for this live? I need to check on Google and make sure that manage live chat YouTube help. Okay. Live chat is enabled by default will appear on the right of the video when your live stream is active. After your live stream ends, viewers will see a reply of live chat and then watch the stream archive. Live chat module only exists on the YouTube watch page. It does not follow embedded players. Watch the video demo. Live chat is not available if your channel or live stream audience is set as a made. Oh, it's made for kids. Oh, I got you. So that's the. This one is not made for kids. I would say this is for everyone. That's my fault. Okay, I'm sorry, and I would go back. Maybe that's a reason. I will go check the. Alright, hello guys. Probably now you can uh alright, probably now you can just see my you can type some words here because I enable the chat area, and this is my to be honest, this is my first time and I'm not familiar with the setting. Can you hear me? So want to make sure. Can you do me a favor if you are on the other end? Mm, I want to make sure you can hear me. I, I want to make sure that you can hear me, and then I can talk more about things going on my end. Let me type some words first. Hi, I type hi. You can see I purposely changed my name is WOGUANYON. That's because well, live chat, remember to guard your privacy and abide by your community. Okay. Well, pop participant. That's very interesting. I can see the concurrent viewers. Does that mean that there are two people or just one guy, one one person in this channel is watching this live? I don't know, but for sure, I want to make it's like an experiment for me. And today I'm going to talk about my daily life. Because the new coronavirus, uh, lots of people have to stay at home. It seems to me, I I stay at home and work online. Work online and with some of my friends, and all right. Now it seems like everything is working just all right. But if I want to go to the uh, what what can I do? Do I need to drop this? And it seems like I didn't see anything. If I drop the screen or anything, it doesn't show up. One thing is very interesting. My computer doesn't show the my I think I still have some problems with the setting because it seems like I can't use all the functions here. Like how can I switch from myself to the screen? It's very interesting. The 场景 just like a name, but what is the source or 来源？来源 could be 显示器捕获 doesn't show anything. Let me do some research. using some software. It's like a audio file or a video file. Yeah, now I closed all these files. I believe this time I can capture the show up. Nope. If not, I will come back and make sure that everything is okay. Thank you for watching. I will be back soon. Please stay tuned or subscribe my channel. I will share more things with you guys if you're there. Thank you.